Hey everybody, Scott here. Just wanted to show you this Bath & Wine holder and speaker that is Bluetooth enabled. So I went ahead and took it out of the box here, but this is obviously the box it comes in. This is by Gadget, so I will go ahead and show you it here. So here's the speaker itself. It's got the two suction cups on the back, and then up here is your controls. So you've got your USB port to charge it right here. You just open this little silicone cover right there. Looks like it's a micro USB, and then you want to make sure you keep this cover on there, because that is what these are your other buttons here. So here's your power buttons, and then like your forward and backward button. There's the speaker part right there, and then your wine glass sits in here. So just a cool little Bluetooth speaker if you want to have something to hold a wine glass while you're in the bath or shower that suctions to the wall.